Diego Zoo. There is a tiny little Japanese garden. It's been there for forever. I talked with someone who visited it back in the 70s, and so yes, it's been here forever. Does that count as another Japanese garden on my tour of Japanese gardens in the US? It's in between the Warner Administration Building and the Roundel Room. From the outside, you cannot access it from the outside. You do have to go all the way in, but it's a beautiful little spot. Going to take a few quick videos. Oh,